Welcome back, guys. Today is the first day on the bus demo, and we got snow. Might as well make it a little bit harder on us. So I want to disconnect the AC today, but I'm not gonna lay on the ground to remove the fans under the bus. So I'll probably just work on the inside and do the. I'll try to take the walls out, ceiling down, grab bars, take a little bed frame apart, that kind of stuff. So follow along with us. Watch us tear this thing apart.
Long, cold day.
Long, cold day. Okay. Really warm in here. So we'll take these grab bars down. Pull the ceiling down. Pull these down. How's the bed frame screwed?
Is it screwed down?
Yep. So we got to screw it. I'll take these out. We'll get rid of this. We'll probably just take this stuff here and put it front for now. And maybe we'll take stuff in the house.
One really good window.
It was less beat up one. The more scratches it had in it, the harder it was come off because it catches the scratches, and that's why it just rips.
Do I need a little baggie or something? You don't want to lose these screws, do you?
Nope, throw them on the ground. They're junk.
Oh.
No,
Okay, good.
What? No, you're making a mess on the floor.
Are we keeping the screws or not keeping the screws?
Nope, not keeping the screws. Oh, easy.
I know it.
How's her back screaming?
Whoa, Nelly. Why can't I get him to go in like you?
Because he's got 30 years experience in screwing.
I've been screwing for a long time, Cody.
I know that, but come on now. Is there an easier way? What's going? You gotta line it up?
Yep, you can line it perfect every time.
You really do?
Yep.
But you don't do that.
I do, I'm so good at it.
Get in the hole.
Get in the hole. Whoa. I guess it doesn't matter if they fall. I'm trying to hold them all up.
Okay.
Not a whole lot of that makes me look like a loser. I'm a professional. That was good.
Yeah, this is tough.
Yeah, we'll move this stuff over. We're gonna tear all this rubber out of this floor. So we go down. It may be a all day project tearing this side up.
Underneath that rubber.
Yeah, we need to get down. We need to tear off too. Don't you love how they did this floor? This floor screams DIY.
Sure does.
Hey, I got a hammer. I'm a carpenter. I'll put a floor down. Yeah.
I've seen it done before. I can do it.
Unless you gotta do it one smooth move. Yeah.
We do the same thing, or we do the same thing in our bus. Closing your hand. Back up. Now, let's just get this out of here real quick. Okay, you got grab a unscrew. No, it's not right. Okay, never mind. All right. Everything good?
Yep, that's a nice skillful break.
Huh?
That's a nice skillful break. There you go.
Okay, ready? Grab your side, go down there. This side here, let's try to pull it down a little bit. Okay, take it back up. There it goes. Okay. Oh, that's yeah. Yeah.
We're freezing. I'm just recording.
morning. Okay guys, last night we finished up demo. It was too dark taking pictures. So this is what we got. We brought the tank in here, the water tank. But the walls are taken down. Front's gone. I'm going to sand down that rust a little bit, put some primer on that. Start doing our walls. So we disconnect the heater. We'll get that, we pulled that out. Took down the heater up there. We went outside and we tore down the, or took off the fan, condenser unit, wherever it is. We got that taken out. I think what we're gonna do is put a propane tank in there. We gotta finish cutting the lines, but I think that's where our propane tank's gonna go. So, well guys, we're gonna end this video here. Outside. Chilly. Okay guys, we're gonna end this video here and call it a day. We're gonna start building here pretty soon, but we're gonna close the video out here. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And you have a good week. We'll see you soon.